Adrian Peterson's attorney got his wish today.
The judge and his client's felony child abuse case will not be removed. During a hearing today, a retired Texas judge ruled that there was not enough evidence to remove the judge from the case. Prosecutors wanted Judge Kelly Case recused after he referred to attorneys connected to the case as, quote, media whores. Peterson is accused of felony child abuse after using a switch to punish his 4-year-old son. Reg Chapman joins us now with more on what this means for Peterson. Reg?
Well, Amelia, what this means is Judge Kelly Case will more than likely be the sitting judge in Peterson's felony child abuse case. Now, Judge Case set a trial date of December 1st. This gives AP's attorney a fast track to trial, something he said publicly he wanted. Let's take a quick look at how we got to this point and what's next for Peterson.
Adrian Peterson's legal problems began after he gave his 4-year-old son a whooping with a switch. The child was visiting his father at his home near Houston back in May when the incident happened. 10 days later, after the child was returned to Minnesota, his mother took him to a doctor's appointment where they noticed open wounds on the boy's legs, back, and buttocks. Peterson was then indicted on felony charges of injury to a child on September 12th. A day later, he turned himself in. Peterson was booked, took a mugshot, and after posting a $15,000 bond, was released. The Vikings deactivated Peterson for the following game against the Patriots, then reactivated him the next day. But sponsors began pulling away from the Vikings organizations, and a number of Peterson's personal endorsement deals were also pulled. That's when Peterson was placed on the commissioner's exempt list, allowing him full pay while he deals with his legal issues. AP made his first court appearance on October 9th. After that court appearance, Peterson was required to submit to a drug test as a condition of his bond. Peterson told the person administering that test that he smoked a little weed. Drug use is not allowed according to Peterson's bond condition. Prosecutors asked for a $15,000 bond be returned and Peterson arrested.
Judge Case can now focus on Peterson's admission to smoking marijuana. He must decide on a motion to have Peterson's bond revoked and the running back put in jail, Amelia.
Now, Reg, you talked about Peterson attorney wanting a fast track to a trial. Do you know if he wants that so he can get his client back on the playing field before the end of the season?
Well, that may be his motivation, but there are many sports analysts who believe the NFL could suspend Peterson after his court issues are over. Some say he violated the league's conduct policy and more than likely will not play the rest of the season. Remember, Peterson has not been in a Vikings uniform since week 1 of the season.
All right, Reg, thank you.
Wright County